Welcome to Tech Research. If you use WhatsApp application, so might be this video is helpful for you because of
WhatsApp लाया एक नया फीचर यूजर नेम्स। बस अपना यूजर नेम बताओ और अपनी प्रिवेसी पे अपना कंट्रोल बढ़ा।
So they are introducing here in username. So how to create username and what is new and if you like specific username is available or not. So let's start. My iPhone is here. So first of all you need to open WhatsApp application and scroll down. So first of all you need to open WhatsApp application, then tap profile picture, scroll down, here account. Inside the account they are introducing new feature here. Look at this here, username. If you tap here, so here username are coming soon. Reserve your username today, right away, right now. How you can reserve this one? It's very easy. Otherwise you can use same username which username you are using in Instagram or which username you are using in Facebook. You can apply here as it is same. Just simply click here and directly to connect on your Instagram. So WhatsApp are reserve your username, so they are not give it your username someone else. Apart from that, you can click here create a username and type here, for example I type here research rocks. So this username is not available. If I click here research rock is available. If I tap here research rocks, 9 is available, 7 is also available. Suggest username is option is here. So suggest username comes here, like in if you create a Gmail address, similar kind of same feature is here. If you click here research rock 7 and save this one, so this username is reserved for me. So then the features are introducing such a username automatically connect on my WhatsApp username. If someone asking me in mobile number, so I can not provide him mobile number, I can say okay you can contact me via username like researchrock7 and I'm receiving this message very easily. Using this process you can reserve your username right away, right now. If you have any question related on this video, you can ask me on comment section. Before leaving, please share this video and subscribe our YouTube channel Tech Research. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.